everyone, it's Tiffany here with Bearable Traders, here to do my recap. I wanted to share with you my favorite reversal that I took today. I trade a reversal with a 15-minute hammer confirmation, or in this case it was a short, so 15-minute shooting star doji with a new low. And that is on the 15-minute chart, as you can see right here. I do like for it to set up on multiple time frames, not just the 15-minute chart. And what I was looking for was I always look for it to be extended from the VWAP and it have a really nice long run in the morning. And so I started watching it as it pushed up through this daily level of 50 or 75.60, which it's trading right around that right now, but it's right here. And as you can see back a couple weeks ago, that this is where I got that daily level. And so it pushed up through that and then threw up a shooting star doji on the 5-minute chart, made a new low, and then I saw that it was doing a reverse ABCD pattern on the 5-minute chart. And so then you also have this doji on the 1 minute on fair volume, and it started making new lows. Well, I waited on this 15-minute candle to close as a shooting star doji and a new low. So when it made a new low, I took a short position, which it had also lost the 9 and the 20 moving averages on the 1 minute chart, and they were curling over. And here you have the 50 moving average coming up to meet it. And so I took a short position, and my stop was going to be above this 75.60 level, the daily level. It pulled back and retested the 9 and the 20, which is not surprising to me. This is something that is very common for this particular strategy to do. And when it does that, I wait for a new 1 minute low and I add to my position. Now, this is not adding to a losing position. I was able to double my position, and then I moved my stop loss to above the 9 and the 20. My stop was all the way up here. So when it gave better confirmation that it was going to go down and it made a new 1 minute low after retesting the 9 and 20, I doubled my position, moved my stop here, and that I'm still risking 1R. So if it pushed back up through these moving averages, I was going to get out. I would have been still down 1R. So I took my first partial, my first 25% partial at the 9 moving average on the 5-minute chart. And that was approximately 2R at that point. And then I was watching the bid stack up at this level right here, which is also support earlier on. So I took another 25% off here, and then the rest of my partials were 50% of my remaining position. So 50 here, 50, 50. Now here it was another one of those stacked bids. I went ahead in case it decided to push back up. I wanted to take a little bit more profit here. So then I took partials at R4 and these daily levels, and when it pushed down through VWAP. And then I really didn't have that many shares left. I had about 10% left, and then I ended up exiting the rest of my position after this hammer doji happened on the 15-minute, and it made a new high. I went ahead and exited the rest of my position. Now, there's something else that I could have done better with this trade, and let me clear this off so you can see. So on the 5-minute chart, you have a head and shoulders setting up. Here's the head, here's the left shoulder, and here's the right shoulder. Now the neckline is roughly about right here. So when it lost this neckline, I could have added to my position right here and then partial down through VWAP, but I chose not to do that, and but I should have done that. because it is a really nice head and shoulders pattern setting up on the 5. But if you have any questions on this particular strategy that I love, this reversal, please feel free to comment. And let me know what your favorite reversal strategies are. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.